So in this video I'll be showing you the Mini 5 Pro. Here's my Lito X1. Guys, please check out the video on this one, because what I've done, actually showing you the whole setup from waypoints, also showing how to do point of interest. I've got to thank everybody that helped me on that one, because I put a video up, a cry of help, because I just couldn't get the hang of it. Anyway, sussed it out. Even DJI has sent me a message as well, so I sussed it out. So please check out the video on that, because I'm amazed how well it went compared to this one. This one, God, I spent most of the morning trying to do the Waypoint Mission with the point of interest. I think I did 2 goes. The first 2 goes. You're not seeing that bit, guys, because the video would have gone on for too long. It stopped. I did it again. The video wouldn't stop. And then I think on the 3rd time, low battery. So I think out of it all, must have done about 4 times before I actually got the drone in the air. And then it still didn't do what it was supposed to be doing. When you watch, I am going to show you in this video later on how good this is, because this one thing I will say, it did do the mission, because I did do a video a while back where as it was flying around, it just kept on stopping. And we think possible it's to do with the LiDAR or the sensors with the light. Now I did go out especially early in the morning, and yeah, it completed, I think I did 2 missions. Each time it completed them fine. But anyway, I'm going to go straight into that video. So, new battery. So we know we got plenty of battery power. We go straight into waypoints. No messing about. Into history. Into the Lone Tree 2. Okay. I'll just do a quick check on number 1. Yep. That's all right. Number 6. Yep. So, there. So, 1, it starts recording. 6, it stops. Didn't do that. That's it. So let's press next. Oh yeah, return to home, end of the flight. Now there's no, somebody was asking about what happens if you lose signal like you used to in the old days. You ain't got that. Now all you got is if you lose signal, it just comes back. Okay. Oh, sorry, you can do, what it will do, it will restart back to waypoint 1. So I suppose that could be the other option then. Anyway, let's get on with it. Continue. So this is the second one really, because the other one I went out of battery. But it did look like it stopped just before the low battery, but that could be the battery and I'm gabbling. Okay, so we're already on number 1. Off it goes. It's turning itself around. It's I don't really understand. I think what it is, it's facing over that way more than it is here for some reason. And as you can see, as it's turning, it's coming back on to where I am. So that's the first issue with the point of interest. Okay, anyway, another thing I have to mention, some people were still having this problem where once the drone's out on its mission, it starts to descend for some unknown reason. And you know how to stop it, guys. The little red square box there, you just press that and it'll stop. Or you can actually cancel the waypoint mission itself by just pressing the waypoint mission. Right, everything's looking good at the moment. I can see the drone's facing me, sort of, not really sort of in central, but it is looking at me. What I've noticed with this one, it seems to make, even though I've done quite far out on the 6 waypoint missions, it doesn't seem, it just seems a smaller box. But anyway, it's coming back in. Nothing's stopped. So what I'm going to do, because this time it worked fine, we're going to do one more just to make sure there's no problem, because like I said, that sun's still quite glary and it's going to be on the sensors quite a bit. Why it faces over there, I don't know. I don't know what that's about. I didn't ask it to do that, but anyway. So we just let it land. I'll come out and we go back in and we just try it once more. It's not really a mode that I use a lot, to be honest, but I know a lot of people like using it for mapping or seasonal, you know, winter, summer sort of stuff. Anyway, this time it's landed straight on the H, which is good. So we're just going to save and exit. We come out, we're going to go back in. We press the history, we press the loan tray, we press next, and we continue. Right, off it goes. Home point's been updated, which is good. Okay, so it's just setting itself up on number 1 first. Yep, it's turning. It's recording what it should be doing, which is good. Doing those sort of things as it's been planned. Yeah, I don't understand why the drone's facing more that way when it should be facing towards me. I don't know what that's about. Right, we're on number 2. Nope, we're still on number 1 still. Now we're into number 2. Already done number 3. Coming over to that other track. I can still see where I am, but it's not where I would like it to be, I must say. Number 4 now. Coming in now on to number 6. Why it's looking down there, God knows. Yeah, and it's now the drone's turning. So it's turned. So the mission's been finished. It's coming back to land. So I'm not going to do another one, guys, because I've done 2 of those now and they both work fine. I'm not happy how the point of interest things turned out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you with the Lito X1 how different it is, because the Waypoint Mission is very similar, but it's nothing like this thing. So I'm going to shut this down, I'll get the Lito going, and I'll show you what I'm on about with the Waypoint Mission. It's just gone straight in. I'll tell you what, this drone is always surprising me every time I get it out to fly. It's just gone straight in there, no messing. Right, so what I'm going to do, I've already saved a Waypoint Mission, and you're going to understand what I've been on about with how different it is. Okay, well that's good. Okay, now you can see I'm straight in the picture. And the drone's going off. It's already started, it's recording. I haven't done no different, other than the Waypoint Mission was slightly different to the Mini 5 Pro, but I did the same thing with the point of interest where it was facing me. And if you notice in this one, I'm more central, whereas the Mini 5 Pro was right over to the left. So it's always there. And I've gone straight into this. I haven't pre-recorded this like I've done on, the previous video. I thought I'd just show it to you now, because this drone, I'll tell you what, this drone it's just surprising me every time I bring it out and we try something different. It's doing it, and I'm still on the picture. It's coming back. Yeah. Anyway, we'll let it come in and we'll have a quick discussion once the drone's finished. It's just coming into its last one, but if you notice, it's still facing me. It's still at that angle. So now it's finished its mission. It's going to land. It probably won't land on the heights, but then I'm not really cared about that. Never been a thing of precision landing anyway. Even though looking at that, it's pretty good, I must say. Okay, it always, I don't know why, but that's the only thing I've noticed of this one. It's the surface. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to shut everything down and then we have a quick chat. Mini 5 Pro, obviously the new Lito X1. Okay, so this time the drone completed its mission on both times. Obviously when I ran out of battery that had to come back. But today, I'll be honest, still I'm not very happy with the Mini 5 Pro with its Waypoint Mission. Especially now I've got the hang of the point of interest. Especially with this one, as you saw, it was virtually on me all the time. Whereas this one was way off. And when it on its last one, it was facing down over there. I don't know what that was about. So there does seem to be a slight problem there. I don't know. It's obviously all to do with the software, so maybe DJI just need to tweak it a bit and it'd be like this one. So that is interesting that this drone is doing a better job than this one on the Waypoint Mission. If you agree, fantastic. If you don't, I understand it. Because I mean, this is a professional drone, where this is like a low budget drone. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. That's the main thing. Guys, if you've got any questions that you want me to do, I'm on about, you want me to do any tests with either of these two drones, please do add it below in the comments. I have got a long list. Some I just can't do, and others I'm still got them planned for later on, because I've got loads of videos. Got loads of videos coming, guys, especially with this one and this one, and can't believe it, there's going to be another drone on the block very soon. I might even posted it, I don't know, because I'm sort of like a couple of weeks ahead of myself now with all these videos I keep doing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. That's the main thing. As always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner. Right, so this is setting myself up. I've just done a bit of flying already, but I thought it's about time I had a cup of tea. That's what I love about this. So I've got my water. I think today, because I got up earlier, I went in the shop and yeah, had no chocolate croissants, which was a bit off. So at the moment, I've got my phone on the charge. I've also got my Lito X1. If you want to know a bit more about this power station, guys, please check out the video that I've done, I don't know, about a month ago, where we'd gone out with a group of drone people, the drone seekers, Spanish drone seekers, I should say. Right, I'll just put on the kettle. Yep, that's on. And we did bacon baps and a cup of tea for everybody. I think there must have been about 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's about 8 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sorry, there were 6 of us. That was it. That's what I love about this.